Hello dear students of 4th grade. Today I will discuss with you the rest of the second chapter, Sources of History. So here we are on page number 9, last paragraph. Before start the lesson, kindly go through the pages of your textbook which is on your screen. In this topic, we discussed about the sources of history. Now let's continue. Apart from these written records, there are stories, songs, folk tales and poems for which there are no written records. इनके अलावा जो हमारे पास written records हैं, stories हैं, songs हैं, folk tales जो पुरानी कहानियां हैं और राइम्स पोइम्स हैं हमारे पास, इनका कोई भी रिटन रिकॉर्ड नहीं है. दीज ओरल सोर्सेज, इनका पास कोई रिटन रिकॉर्ड नहीं है. दैट्स ये सब हम सभी सिर्फ सुनते हैं हमारे पूर्वजों से, हमारे एंसेस्टर्स से, हमारे ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स से. ऑफ हिस्ट्री टॉक अबाउट लाइव्स ऑफ पीपल एंड इम्पोर्टेंट इवेंट्स इन हिस्ट्री. दीज सोर्सेज आर ऑल्सो वेरी यूजफुल फॉर अंडरस्टैंडिंग हिस्ट्री. So now last subtopic of this chapter is preserving our resources. Preserving मतलब कि इसका मीनिंग है बचा के रखना, sources को बचा के रखना. Historical sources help us understand our long journey through the passage of time. जो हमारे historical sources हैं, they are very helpful, very beneficial for us to understand the long journey of the people, generation to generation. Archaeologists and historians use these sources to study and understand the past. जो आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट हैं और हिस्टोरियंस हैं वो इन सोर्सेज को यूज करते हैं हिस्ट्री को, हमारे पास्ट को अंडरस्टैंड करने के लिए. They maintain records of these sources for understanding the correct sequence of events and also to make future studies easier. सो वो इन रिकॉर्ड्स को, सोर्सेज को एक करेक्ट सीक्वेंस में लगाते हैं, ऑर्गेनाइज्ड मैनर में करते हैं इवेंट्स को और सिस्टमेटिक मैनर में करते हैं. और उनके साथ क्या होता है कि जो हमारी फ्यूचर की स्टडीज है वो इजी हो जाती है. हाउएवर वी ऑल नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड द इम्पोर्टेंस एंड वैल्यू ऑफ दीज सोर्सेज एंड मेक एफर्ट्स टू इंश्योर दैट दे आर मेंटेन्ड इन अ गुड कंडीशन. तो हमें क्या करना चाहिए कि हमें भी जरूरत है जो इन सोर्सेज की वैल्यूज को हम जाने कि क्या इनकी वैल्यू है, क्यों हमारे लिए इतने इम्पोर्टेंट है, और हमें भी एफर्ट्स करने चाहिए कि इनको अच्छी कंडीशन में रखा जाए. म्यूजियम्स एंड गैलरीज आर प्लेसेस वेयर मैनी ऑफ दीज सोर्सेज आर केप्ट एंड प्रिजर्व्ड. तो बहुत सारे म्यूजियम्स हैं, गैलरीज हैं, यहाँ पे क्या होता है, इन सोर्सेज को रखा जाता है, प्रिजर्व किया जाता है. To preserve means to keep something as it is and to prevent it from being damaged and destroyed. There are examples of instances when people working at the museums have protected these valuable sources of history through times of war from being damaged. Later on, they were brought back to their original place after peace prevailed and once. It means they say यहाँ पे बहुत सारी हमारे एग्जाम्पल्स मिल जाती है कि जो लोग थे वो म्यूजियम्स में सोर्सेज ऑफ हिस्ट्री को प्रोटेक्ट करते थे. कब करते थे? जब वॉर का टाइम होता था, जब लड़ाई होती थी, युद्ध होता था, उनको डैमेज होने से बचाते थे. बाद में लेटर ऑन दे वर ब्रॉट बैक टू देयर ओरिजिनल प्लेस. तो जब शांति हो जाती थी, सब कुछ खत्म हो जाता था, सही हो जाता था, तो फिर वो वापस अपने घरों में चले जाते थे. So chapter 2 is finished. Now we will discuss the book exercise of this chapter. As we all know that we did it as a written assignment in assignment number 2. The first one is fill in the blanks. First things left behind by our dash are called sources of history. Here we can find the answer, page number 7. starting point, our ancestors. They have left behind many things that help us understand that time better. These are referred to as sources of history. So here the answer is ancestors. Second one is symbols of kings and gods were punched on dash in earlier times. On page number 8, fourth paragraph, first line, coins from the past tell us many things. Earliest coins had symbols, punch marked on them. Later on, coins had images of gods and goddesses. Coins. The answer is coins. Third one is buildings and other structures made by our ancestors are called dash. Here we can find the answer. Buildings or other structures made by our ancestors are called monuments. The answer is monuments. Fourth one is the Mahabharata and the Quran are dash text written in the past. The Mahabharata and the Quran, many Asian texts talk about religion. These includes the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, the Bible and the Quran. So here the answer is Asian text on page number 9. Last one is historical sources are kept in dash and galleries. On page number 10, museums and galleries are places where many of these sources are kept and preserved. The answer is museums. The second one is underline the error in the statement. First one is historians can read all Asian texts. Historian is an error. The correct sentence is on page number 9. There are language experts who can read and understand these texts. So correct is language experts. The second one is writings on walls, caves and wooden tablets are called artifacts. It is wrong statement. Artifacts is an error. The correct one is writings on stones, walls, pillar, wooden tablet, bricks and metals are called inscriptions. We can use inscriptions instead of artifacts. The third one is copper, silver and gold were used to make notes in ancient times. Notes is an error. The correct one is metals like copper, bronze, gold and silver were used to make coins, showing immense wealth of the kingdom. So correct answer is coins. Toys, jewelries and seals made in the past are literary sources of history. In this statement, literary is an error because here we can see tools, coins, pottery, toys, jewelry and seals are examples of artifacts, and artifacts included in the archaeological sources. Objects made and used by people in the past are called artifacts. So here archaeological sources of history. The last one is archaeology is the study of buildings and other structures made in the present. Present is an error. Here we can see on page number 8. First line, the branch that deals with the study of buildings and objects made in the past is called archaeology. Past is correct instead of present. And the third one is unscramble the letters to answer the clue. A story passed through speech over the years. The correct answer is folk tales. Here we can see folk tales. Second one is substance used to make coins. Metal. Here we can see metals like copper, bronze, gold, silver were used to make coins. METAL, metal. The third one is ancient Indian language. Ancient Indian language is Sanskrit. Many Indian books are written in Sanskrit language. Here we can see SANSKRIT, Sanskrit. The fourth one is the religious books of Christians. The religious books of Christian is Bible. BIBLE, Bible. The last one is buildings or other structures made in the past. Buildings or other structures made by our ancestors are called monuments. Here we can see MONUMENTS, monuments. So here we complete the book exercise of this chapter. I hope so students will understand the chapter 2 of SST, sources of history. Thank you. Have a nice day.